Today I will show you how you will increase your uTorrent or qubit torrent speed by adding tracker. Also I will give you a free tracker list. If I will start like before, I will show you there is no tracker, so you will see the download speed is very slow, and also it is give an error or connecting to peer issue. So first of all I will stop this download and then I will go to this site. You can see the name. I cannot put the link due to some policy issue, so you can check the link from here. Okay, and when you open this link you will see here the list of updated tracker. As you can see here, there is also many tracker, but I will use this one. So I will first copy all these tracker from this site, and then I will add again it into uTorrent, and we will compare and check that how it's work or not. So I will copy it and I will go to my uTorrent, and what I will do, I will double click on this file and add. As you see, the tracker is added. Okay, so once this one done, I will apply and then OK, and then also I will change little bit this setting up to high, and you can also check by default it is like on high, but if there is selected normal or low, so you will also select the high and set also the download and upload speed accordingly as I show you. So once this is done, now I will again start in front of you. So what it will do, it will check all the tracker that I have added. It will take some time because there is too many tracker, and it will like connecting to the PR. So it is connected, and you will see here in last seed and PR it is increasing, and also the speed is increasing. If you can see the download speed, it is 2 MB, 3 MB, okay, and still it is increasing up to 4 MB, okay, and 6 now we will see it is up to 7 Mbps, and now it is 9, 10. Okay, it is also depend on your internet. If you have a good bandwidth, then you will see this result, but if you have a low download speed, then maybe your internet issue. So you will check the internet first of all, the bandwidth, and then you will add all these tracker as I show you in the list, and then you will start your download. Hopefully this video will be very helpful for you. If you have again still any issue regarding uTorrent, BitTorrent or qBitTorrent, then let's comments. I will check it, and accordingly I will suggest you the setting, and you will get the desired result. Thanks for watching.